All right, so here we have Bitcoin on Bybit on the 1 hour. As you can see here, you had a little fake out, nice little bear trap right here at the bottom of this range, which as long as we don't come back down and test the bottom of that range again, I would count this as a bear trap, and I would say that we could be going to the top of the range. Right now, we're finding resistance at the POC point of control on the VPVR. Your moving averages look like they're just continuously converging and diverging away, but your 21 and your 50 looks like it's curling up. So if you can get that crossover and them start to fan out, that would be another confirmation of the probability of you coming to the top of the range. Let's check out your momentum oscillators. Your RSI is in the neutral median zone. You are above the signal line. You did touch the bottom of that bearish control zone. Kind of had somewhat of a double bottom there. Let's see here. Oh, okay. So looks like we'll come back to the RSI later if we do get bearish divergence, but right now it's not confirmed. On your MACD, you do have a dark green bar printing as of now. It's actually a pretty good size for it being the first one. Fresh MACD cross to the upside. Your vol did start to expand as you dropped right here. It did have some nice volatility, which turned out to be the day after the FOMC minutes. But, as you can see, you just had a lot of chop during the FOMC minutes. But a lot of people got trapped right here. A lot of people had their stops right below the bottom of this range. It hit all those stops, came right back up. So I would count that as a bear trap. Let's move on to let's go to the range chart. I want to check out the stochastic momentum oscillator. So yeah, you did, let's go down to the 1 hour. Come on, trading view. All right, so that first candle you did close, that big candle you did close below that Bollinger Band, which let you know that you were probably going to see some more downside. Came back down, had the bear trap. Right now you are finding resistance also on the 20 period moving average, which is the middle band on the Bollinger Bands. Your stochastic momentum looks like it's trying to curl over right now, so you could find some resistance here. And also, let's see here. Looks like you do have some bearish divergence, but we'll find out how low that can lead you down. Maybe we come back down to, oh, we're on Ethereum right now. Sorry about that. Same story. See, the bearish divergence on the Bitcoin isn't confirmed yet, because we could get higher than the 29,850 region. My guess is that we do come to the top of this Bollinger Band. We're also being held down by the second POC point of control on the VPVR as of now. Yeah, so your stochastic, it's still pointing up. You are touching the overbought territory right now. So that means it's a strong bullish momentum, but it won't take much to turn it back around. Selling in the overbought, oversold. I mean, as you can see, you entered the overbought right here, and look how far you kept going up. It just means strong momentum. It just means that it wouldn't take much to turn it back around, and once you do leave the zone, you can usually expect some downside. Just selling and buying blindly in the bullish or in the overbought and oversold regions is kind of a rookie mistake. So your BBWP is in the upper zone. It looks like it's coming down a little bit, but I would expect volatility to continue to rise or stay high as of now. Like I said, you could come back down to the POC point of control on the VPVR at 29,230 region and then continue to head up. I do think we're going to come up at least to the top of the Bollinger Band at 30K, possibly even up to the 3,800 region at the top of the range. Let's go back to the trend chart and go to the 4 hour. So here on your 4 hour, the range is a little more clear. you're also kind of making some sort of descending channel. So if you can break out of the top of that, I would expect you to break the top of the range and come up to the 32,500 level that we've been speaking about. Your RSI is in the neutral median zone. Looks like you're testing the neutral median line as of now. So as long as we stay above 40 or 29.4, basically 60, we'll stay above that signal line. So basically right where we're at, we need to continue to rise to stay above that signal line. MACD basically riding that 0 line. Little slightly to the right here. So I wouldn't be surprised if we do get the cross of the signal line, which we would need to get above 29,767. So not too far off. And we need to get above 30,287 in order to cross that 0 line. So if we can continue this momentum just a little higher, I think if we do test the top of the range again, I think we break it this time. And I think we head up to 32,500 if we break the top of the range. If we break below it on a 1 hour closure, see, you didn't get a closure right here. That was just a wick on your 4 hour. But even a 1 hour closure below this range, I would expect us to come down to the 27K region. Probably get a bounce there, but honestly, I think we could probably go even lower to probably like the 25K, 25,500 region. So that's what I'd be looking at for Bitcoin. If you guys like this video, like and subscribe to the channel. Everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, and I will see you in the next one.